If your heart is clean, losing people is not a loss. Sometimes you feel confused when people leave your life. You ask yourself, what did I do wrong? You replay every moment in your head. You blame yourself for being too honest, too kind, too real. But here is the truth. Not everyone can handle pure intentions. Some people only stay when they can take something from you. When you stop pretending, they feel uncomfortable. When you stay real, they feel exposed. The problem is not your heart. The problem is their mindset. You wanted peace. They wanted control. You wanted honesty. They wanted convenience. So when they walk away, it is not because you failed. It is because they could not stay at your level. The solution is simple. Stay kind, but stay strong. Stay pure, but stay aware. Do not chase people who leave. Let them go with respect. The takeaway is this: pure intentions protect you. They remove the wrong people so the right ones can find you. Comment pure heart if this message speaks to you.